Hello from Douglas College. My name is Sarah Mellett, and I'm a faculty and student coordinator with our Psychiatric Nursing Department.
And I'm Catherine Moon, the program coordinator in the Psychiatric Nursing program and an alumni of both nursing programs.
It won't surprise you to hear that the healthcare industry will generate many job openings in BC over the next decade.
Registered nurses and registered psychiatric nursing remain in high demand occupation, and Douglas College is supporting this need with our Bachelors of Science in Nursing and our Bachelors of Science in Psychiatric Nursing. Our approach to hands-on learning provides students with the skills they need to contribute to the health and well-being of individuals, families, and communities across the growing healthcare sector.
Our graduates can be found working in many areas of healthcare, from hospitals to community settings. We also recently introduced our licensed practical nursing access to psychiatric nursing, offering working LPNs living in all areas of BC the opportunity to get the specialized training they need to become a psychiatric nurse.
Over the last 7 years, we've had over 1,400 students graduate from these programs, and surveys show that 99% of our nursing and psychiatric nursing graduates are working in the field after graduation. We're so proud of these Douglas College students consistently receiving the highest marks in the country on their registration exams.
Health authorities in BC seek out our graduates because they know our students are educated to provide safe, competent, and compassionate nursing care grounded in theory, practice, and professional standards. If you'd like to learn more about our nursing programs, please visit us at douglascollege.ca.
And we hope to see you soon.